So, hello guys, how are you? I hope you all guys are very fine. So, today I come with a new Flipkart's app. Okay, so you need if you want interest in shopping, you can shopping and just latest updates. You can see here Vipo mobiles. Okay, as you can see, I clicks. This is Flipkart app. Okay, just clicks here. Okay. Uh, Hello guys, how are you? I think you all guys are very well. So today I come with a Flipkart app. Okay, this app is in a Play Store. So friends, I discuss with you at this time. He gives some discounts in every electric products. Okay, you can see here. Mega saving zone, 70% off. Okay, let's see, and you can see still details means 6 to 10 p.m. meeting offers 40 to 80%. Let's start what they give us for offers. Just you can see here guys, IFPSC. Okay, and means how much in discount. These products no have discount any. And this sari, lady sari, means he give 80% discount, and Pema 40% discount. Okay, okay now. So let's see, we can see here our product have give little discounts. Okay, and he all kitchen products. Okay, means Fanta, Sting. Okay, he also many people try this and drink, and sprites and Himalaya face wash. Okay, and you can see here, and bathroom cleaner 64% discounts. Okay, okay, and 50% discounts he also give na. So you can see here this gulkech have no offer, but some products have offers. Okay, you can see floor. Okay, floors, and guys, chips. Okay, 20% of chips. Big No, Kidra, and Pidra have 20% chips for the giving this opportunity for you guys. So Namkeens, Namkeen have give 20% discounts. Oh my god, very amazing. 35%. Oh bhai sahab, tere mere give 35% discount, and kuch bhuja and the uja my the puja, and he 25% discounts. Okay, let's start what the beginning and what the happening. If I buy, I buy Gunet 2 and 10 pockets you buy, then he give 2 rupees only. Okay, so very nice, and delivery charge is free. Okay, bye sir.